Today's video, I am going to show you how to use Meta Business Suite to schedule your videos. So let's say you are a working class content creator or you don't have the time to post your videos every day. You can use Meta Suite to schedule your videos at the time when you want them to be published. Now, but that's not the most important thing. What Meta Business Suite helps you to do is that they know the active time when most of your followers will be on Facebook, and you will see it on the particular day that you want to publish. So you can schedule your post based on that time. But again, there are other things, there are other benefits you are going to get. Trust me. So what Meta Business Suite will do is that they will help you to select, they will give you the opportunity to select 4 titles. Among those 4 titles, they'll look at the title while they'll put it on a test, basically. So they'll look at the title that will draw more views. Okay, and that's the title they will use to publish your video. But again, you can decide to use the thumbnail. So to look at different thumbnails, you can select different thumbnails, 4 different thumbnails. Based on these thumbnails, while your post will be on a test until it is published, Meta Business Suite will select the thumbnail that will draw more views. Okay, and that's exactly what we are going to look at today. So you can schedule your post from Sunday to another Sunday. Okay, if this is something that excites you, sit with me and let's dive into it. Thank you.
Okay, guys, so as I told you from the introduction, this is my page, okay? And how to create this is very important as well, your cover. I'm going to make a video on that, okay? So as soon as people get to your page, they know exactly what you're up to, everything is clear. So now this is my page. How can you schedule your post? You click on this photo or video. So I want to post. You click on this. Now, once it is here, you don't have to click this like the traditional way, wherein you're going to upload a video. So you come down here, you see this one, schedule your post from Meta Business Suite. So you click on this one. So now, as you can see, you have update here, 6 people reacted to your post. So you can click now which of the days you choose to post. So today being Tuesday, the 30th, at the time of this, you can create a post, create story or ad, share with your audience today. So something like that. Yeah, but it depends. You can click on this one, you can schedule. You can click on this, you can schedule. You can click on this, you can schedule any of the days. Okay. So now I'm just going to click this one, create a post. So here we are. So now you can add the video. If it's a photo, you can add the photo or use the template. You want to use the template. Okay. So first of all, you add the video, upload from desktop, create video from image. So you can click on this one, upload. So once it opens up, all you have to do is to go to the file. So I'll go to YouTube here, and I'm going to look for that name, Street Quiz. Is it? Okay. So now I'll just click on this one. You click on this, click open. So as you can see, you can play this one and just see. I'm sure maybe you will not hear anything. So it says share photos or a video. Instagram post can't exceed 10 photos. So assuming you are creating photos. So let's wait for it. As you can see, this one is reading here. Fine, so it is done. Now what you have to do is see, so it has uploaded 100%. Okay, if you want to put any language. Now test which thumbnail draws more attention to your video. Now this is something you can do if you choose to, or if you created a thumbnail that you believe it's okay, you don't have to do that. And that's what Mega scheduling a post helps you as well. Okay, so you can click on this one and learn more about it, or you can test different titles. Like for this, you can click on this and add up to 4 titles to test. So what happens in the test process, Facebook will distribute your post to different audience and see which of the thumbnails, or if you decide to use thumbnails, or which of the titles draws more followers, or maybe people looked at that video more. So like they will distribute like 4. So once they get that, like you see this one, choose test up to 4 different thumbnails to see which one perform best. So you can see this one, you can see this one, you can see this one, you can see this one. So it depends now. If I need this, this is what I need. Basically, this is what I want to appear. If I just want to customize, but you can click on all of these. So if you want to do that, you can click on this one. Okay, click on this. And so if, let's say if I click on this one, it allows me, fine. Now I can choose up to 4 different ones and see which, but I don't need that. I'm just okay with this first one. Okay. But now if you want to test the titles as well, you can write different titles. Okay. So that's it. So once you're here, you can write the title. So this one, I'm just going to write, I'll edit this one basically. So I'll write the same question as the thumbnail. Okay, where is the president of Sierra Leone office located? That's what I'm going to write. So that's again, this again would also be your description if you want. So if you want to describe, because for Facebook, most often people don't describe except for a few. But if you want to describe, you can do that as well. So once this is done, and you can add hashtag something, whatever it is. But now you don't have to even do that, because you see here tags and collaborator. So you can add different tags here. And this is something I want to show you. Or maybe I'm going to make a video on this one as well. Okay. So I have tags here. Okay. So I'm just going to copy tags from my YouTube channel, and these are the tags. We'll just copy this, copy all of them. And so you go back to the post. Now here, and just come down here and paste the tags. Then I'll click enter. So the tags are here already. You can see all of this. So if you are fine with this, you can test. This is important. You can test thumbnails, you can test different titles. But if you don't need all of that, you just want to schedule your post, you can click on next. But that's so important. Okay, you can use your test. See here. So you can go again next. Copyright content was not dictated. And this again helps you as well. Okay. So once you're here, you can share it to different groups. Now you can schedule a post. So you look at active times. This is July the 30th at 11:22 a.m. That's the time when most of my viewers will be online. Okay. Or my followers. So you can schedule in that time. So you can just click on this. And you're done. Video post schedule. So it is here. See it. Okay, guys. So that's how you can schedule your post. If you don't have time to do that, always. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please consider leaving us a comment, share, and of course, follow us for more videos and content. Thank you.